So you want to make some money with Bitcoin. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Bitcoin. There's 3 ways that you can make money with Bitcoin. 1 is with investing, 2 is with trading, and 3 is with staking it away. I'm going to get into detail about that and the apps to use, everything you need to do in this video. So let's get into it right now. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here. Now, here we are in my Binance account. Now, we're taking a look at Bitcoin. So you're ready to make money with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you want to make some cash. Now, most people do, like I said, 1 of 3 things. You either invest it, you trade it, or you stake it away. I'm going to share with you 3 ways to do that. Now, the first way is to invest. The way you do that is simply by buying Bitcoin. So, for example, right now, at the time of this recording, price of Bitcoin is a little over $48,241, $34, whatever it is. About 48 grand, roughly, right? So with investing, you buy Bitcoin now and you just wait a couple of weeks, months, years, and see where Bitcoin goes. Hopefully it goes up to 50, back to 65 at the all-time high, and break through that and go to 70 and 80. That's what we're hoping for, right? So the goal would be awesome. You buy here at 48,000. To double what your investment is, you want it to get to 96,000, you know, give or take. And then let's say you had put $1,000 in, it would then be worth 2,000. So that's kind of how it works to double your money. Now, that's what most people want to do. The smart people is investing, holding for a while. I'm going to take a look at the week charts to kind of back this up here. So, okay, this is by the weeks, and looking by the months. I can't really get a trading view. Here we go. This is the view I was looking for. So you can get a little bit of a better view. This is like the 1 month chart. So back in like 2020, you know, a little over a year ago, you can see Bitcoin was down to like 7,000, you know, less than like that 5,000 to 10,000 range. So people who bought Bitcoin about a year ago are sitting pretty happy because in May it had peaked around 65,000, you know, and then it retraced down a little bit and it's making its way back up. Like I said, right now around the 48,000 mark. So you can see, boom, the people who bought down here, they're doing good. But the thing is with investing, you got to hold it for a long time. So you make sure you're prepared to just hold it for a while. It's like buy and hold method. It's one of the easiest ways to do with investing. And in the long run, in general, usually it goes up. Just be careful when you buy, because even if you bought up here at 65 and the price went back down, just hold for a while because, you know, most likely Bitcoin will eventually break through and continue through. So that's one way. The second way is trading. Now, a lot of people do what's called day trading, intraday trading, where you actually, so they're taking a look at the hour charts now. So let's take a look at like the 1 hour charts. So what they'll do is like every hour, they'll look at the charts and they'll try to buy at these low points and sell at these high points. So for example, you'll buy right here, this little dip, and then once it comes to this next hour, boom, sell up here. And then whatever that little range is, you know, let's say it's 48,100 down here, and then once it peaks up here, 48,600. That's a $500 difference, you know, and then boom, you sell off the difference. And then, you know, you buy down here and, oh, boom, let's go rise. It's rising, rising, rising. And then, boom, sell up here. And then you got like a $2,000 difference. Okay. But then you got to be careful because you buy here and then it can go down. So unless you're shorting it, and if you don't know what the short is, you probably don't know what you're doing for that. So there is a way to do that. What I use is a tool called Bitscap. Now, Bitscap does trade for me. And I don't actually trade Bitcoin in this, but I trade some other ones, SOL, AMP, ADA, and Ethereum at the time of this recording. I'm going to be adding more. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to use this. But like, for example, SOL, I've been trading for about 4 days now at the time of this recording, and it's already made me about an average 2% daily of my investment. So it's made me about $19 with the bot profit, which is pretty good just for money that's sitting there. What I like about this is they have strategies. So if I look at the last 3 days, you can see which ones are trending. So like AMP is doing really good. In the last 3 days, it's averaging about a 4% return in 3 days. So here I'm investing in AMP, and it's been about 1 day so far, like a 0.8% return. But hey, that's money that's growing. It's increasing for me just from letting it sit. I'm also trading ADA, and you can see it's been about 1.9% in about a day or so. And Ethereum, 0.06% in about a day. So, you know, you got to take it for what it's got. The bot so far is maybe $27 in about the 4 days that I've used this. And the sum profits, this price changes because the value goes down. So, for example, Ethereum, we had bought at a higher price. So, like if I look at the Ethereum chart, you could see here when we started buying was like real high price, and then it started dropping. So it wasn't making as much profit. So it's still making a little profit, still making 17 cents. Heavy, it's something, you know, from like a $300 investment. But the price of the value went down, so my price went down. But, you know, I'm still holding the next couple of days. Hopefully Ethereum shoots back up, and then I'll start making more once the price goes up as well. But this is what I do. I let the bot do the work for me. It trades crypto, and I like to invest in some longer term ones like Ethereum, ADA, coins that I know I'm going to hold for a while. I am going to eventually buy some Bitcoin and let it trade that as well, just to earn me some more Bitcoin that I know I'm going to be holding, letting it ride for a while. So that's the second way, trading Bitcoin, like day trading and stuff like that. And obviously the more you invest, if you're getting the average of like a 1% return per day, then you know you can invest so much and make that much. If you want to get to $100 a day, well, maybe put in $10,000. If the bot's doing well, then boom, it can kind of hopefully make you that $100 a day, whatever your goal is. So I'm starting low. I'm playing around with it, finding some good trades, finding some good settings, because, you know, you got to play with the settings and all that. So that's the second way. The third way is by staking away Bitcoin. Now, what I love to use is an app called Voyager. Now I'll leave a link in the description below. If you sign up with Voyager, I think we both get like 25 bucks in Bitcoin. So one, that's a way you get free Bitcoin. If you don't have Voyager, use the link in the description below, sign up for Voyager. We'll both get 25 bucks. So thank you to you, thank you to me. And the second thing is just for simply holding Bitcoin in your wallet, like 0.01 BTC, which I don't know at the time of this recording, a couple $100 maybe right now. They're going to give you 5.75% interest on your Bitcoin. So at the first of every month, as long as you hold that monthly minimum balance, so you can hold more, you can hold a whole Bitcoin in here. They'll give you 5.75% of your interest, and they just boom, tack it in. So the first of the month, I have a bunch of these coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, USDC, and it just tax it in, and just boom, you earn 0.0 whatever Bitcoin you earn, 0.0 whatever Ethereum, but you know, so much Cardano, so much Dogecoin, you know, so much USD. Like for example, 9% interest on USDC, which is a stable coin, is tied to the dollar. So $1,000 I had, instead of letting it sit in my savings account, which would earn me what, like 2 cents a month, if that. I'm earning like almost $9 a month. So in like 3 months, I think I've earned about $25 extra just from letting my money sit there. So not bad for letting it sit for 3 months. 25 bucks, it's not, you know, like, whoa, life changing, but hey, it's doing money. It's there for me. It's making me more money. And that's something I could take my kids out to eat. I could take my wife out for lunch or something like that. So, you know, it gives me some little extra play money, just money I was sitting there that I wasn't using anyway, and just letting my money work for me. So that's the goal with it. So those are the 3 ways you can make money with Bitcoin. One is investing, buying and holding for the long run. Second is trading using an app like Bitsgap. Again, link in the description below if you want to check that out. I think they have a free trial. You get like free 14 days, 7 day, 14 days, something like that. So check it out, link in the description below. And the third is with staking away. Now, Voyager, all you got to do is hold it in your wallet. You don't have to lock it away for several months or anything like that. And they give you a really good interest rates. It's a lot better than a lot of the other ones I've seen. So those are ways you can make money with Bitcoin. If you want to learn about other ways to make money online, you can check out thevipsystem.com. It's my system I put together where I actually help you make money by giving you leads, giving you people to sell to, do the selling for you, all that fun stuff. All you got to do is plug in, unlock some income streams. Once again, thevipsystem.com. It's how I invested and started my online business to make money online, and from there, invested in crypto to make even more money. So awesome. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. So you super appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment if there's any questions about Bitcoin or crypto. I'd be glad to answer them. And if you haven't yet, make sure you join the VIP crew by clicking over here to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you super click that bell notification so the first time I drop the next video. See some of my top recommended cryptos to invest in. I put a free list together for you to check out. You can click that right there for it. And to watch one of my next videos, you can watch this right here. I'll see you in the next video. And always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care.